Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. As worries grows over the coronavirus, there's a lot of talk going about boosting our immune system. I am bringing this video because immune system is the best defense against many diseases and not only coronavirus. The immune system is a complex network that protects our body against many infections, and its strength is determined by a number of factors. Today I am going to discuss about the factors which are responsible for boosting our immunity. One of the major factor is diet. I have discussed in my last video about balanced diet. So friends, balanced diet is considered to be a best diet to support our immune system. In addition to balanced diet, we have some specific foods which are really good for boosting our immunity in our daily life. Garlic, onion, ginger can be eaten raw or can be cooked along with other foods. Citrus fruits like oranges, sweet lime, that is Mosambi, amla, lemon, grapefruit, etc. can be used or consumed on daily basis. At least amla and lemon should be consumed on daily basis in any form, either pickle, chutney, or can be used along with salads or cooked with other foods. Condiments and spices such as turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, cloves can be used while cooking or can be used in decoctions or herbal teas. Herbal tea, I like to tell you one recipe of herbal tea which is very good for boosting metabolism as well as your immunity. Just take 1.5 cup of water, add turmeric, 1/4 of teaspoon of turmeric, cinnamon 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper 2 to 3, cloves 1 to 2, and tulsi leaves, that is holy basil, around 6 to 7 leaves. Just crush all the things and add in the water and boil it and reduce it to 1 cup. Then you can consume daily early morning. It is a very good drink. Then next is curds. Curds is considered to be a probiotic because it contains good bacteria. This good bacteria is very helpful in keeping our gut healthy, and in turn our immunity function improves. Golden milk. Nowadays it is heard very much. Just you have to add half teaspoon of turmeric into 1 glass of milk and boil it little and consume it lukewarm. It is a very good immune booster. Nuts and oil seeds. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, raisins, and oil seeds like flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, sesame, etc. These are very good sources of fats and are rich in omega fatty acids. So just consume daily and make your life better and healthy. So these were the foods which are really helpful in boosting our immune system. Till now we were discussing about the foods which we have to consume. But you should know what we have to not consume daily, what we have to avoid and restrict. These we all know. These are mainly junk foods, fried foods, refined and processed foods, foods or ready to snack food which are rich in salt, sugar and fat has to be completely avoided. Moreover, drinks which are cold drink, sports drink or energy drink has to be restricted. These foods just provide empty calories. Apart from including these things in our diet, it is very important to follow healthy lifestyle. which involves abstaining from alcohol, smoking, and bad habits, de stressing through yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises, exposure to sunlight for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the intake of vitamin D. Then comes adequate sleep. Sleep is very important for boosting our immunity. It is considered to be the bedrock foundation of our immune system. At least 7 to 8 hours per day of sleep is required by our body to maintain its immunity level. And last but not the least, exercise regularly. At least 30 minutes of exercise per day is mandatory for our body. I am sure in a couple of months, markets would be flooded with immunity boosting products. And I can definitely say, following these guidelines, you will improve your quality of life, and some behavioral changes will definitely make your life worth living. Stay connected and keep watching my channel. Have a healthy and happy journey of life.